So welcome back to Sushi and Popcorn. I'm Delia. Once again, Keith is at a wedding for this weekend. So it's just me. I hope so far you guys are vibing with me and forgiving me for my mistakes because I'm a newbie and I love this adventure that I'm on right now, especially with Stray Kids. So this is another one, another recommendation, and this one is called, from Stray Kids, it's called The Sound. And this is the color coded one, of course. So I never heard the song, just in case you guys are wondering. So let's jump in this together, and please, I'm hoping that it's the shit. Because once again, haven't heard anything bad from these guys at all. So here we go.
The crowd's gonna follow us to the pitch. But to kill, bang bang, gotta shut it down now. Oh, nothing better. Yeah, nothing matters. 야미 못해라 시다스 하지 말이 no spotlight. This is the sound, it's the sound. 모래 오힘이 가세 한샘이 아와세 태우고 기다린다. This is the sound, it's the sound. 세계의 모든 날개를 보고라 놓고 any 아와세 move it up. 모자른 모둠을 나른 나의 fire.
That's my baby.
우리 배우 갖고 새 나의 감정. 길이 나의呼吸. Let my breath out. 이 기웃을 때 once more 하키다 써. Wake up countdown 리치가 빠지카 아타라스 가로케 착하고 다시 아돌리블리 아쉬운데 후를 쏟아 오모이 코멘의 cheers. 스탠이 목힘을 단단 나니 목함은 pierce. 이만 gotta fly out right now. Oh, nothing better. Yeah, nothing matters. 야미 못해라 시다스 하지 말이 no spell. This is the sound, it's the sound. 모래 오힘이 가세 한샘이 아와세
Mine has a nice voice too.
touching on rhapsody, rhapsody. 딱 하나로 this melody, melody. I get take a volume up, max it up. 배터가 히도 들리 나 대히로 가른다. I got take it to this time. I got take it to our sound. Get down to destination. This is our music live. 뭐야 가로 stage 가, 뭐야 가로 like the jack. 딱 하나로 beat and beat. Kiss your show and music cut.
I love that breakdown.
This is the sound, it's the sound. 모래 오힘이 가세 한샘이 아와세 태우고 기다린다. This is the sound, it's the sound. 세계의 모든 날개를 보고라 놓고 any 아와세 move it up.
Oh God, you guys. That was dope. Okay, so never watched a color coded like that before, but pretty cool. I love that song. That song is definitely going in the truck. I really wish these videos would drop so we could really see them. I definitely know all of them can sing. God, what can I say about them? Aside from them being probably now 17 Don't Kill Me, my favorite group. Vernon, I love you. I think I'm leaning more towards Stray Kids every time I hear one of their songs. It's just the shit. If you guys have more recommendations from Stray Kids for me, please drop them in the comments below so I can get to them. Hannah, you put me on some really dope ass songs. Thank you once again, girl. And until then, don't forget, you guys, like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure to be safe out there because this world is getting crazy. Until next time, I'm Dahlia, and this is Sushi and Popcorn. Peace.